Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Welcome to Date 15th July 2021 Day, Thursday. Chaotic, adjective, disorderly. Chaotic, adjective, disorderly. Synonyms, disordered, disorganized. Antonyms, orderly. Example sentence. The political situation in the country was chaotic. Brutality, noun, savagery. Synonyms, cruelty, viciousness. Antonyms, gentleness. Example sentence. Brutality against civilians shown to be tolerated. Incur, verb, suffer. Synonyms, sustain, experience. Antonyms, avoid. Example sentence. I will pay any expenses that have been incurred. Neutral, adjective, reciprocal. Synonyms, reciprocated, requited. Antonyms, detached. Example sentence. A partnership should be based on mutual respect and understanding. Hostility, noun, antagonism. Synonyms, bitterness, malevolence. Antonyms, friendliness. Example sentence. Examples. There is too much hostility towards all outsiders. Reparation, noun, amends. Synonyms, restitution, redress. Antonyms, impairment. Example sentence. Example sentence. The courts required a convicted offender to make financial reparation to his victim. Prevalence, noun, currency. Synonyms, generality, pervasiveness. Antonyms, uncommonness. Example sentence. The prevalence of sunlight led to a restriction of the windows. Discreet, adjective, careful. Discreet. Synonyms, circumspect, cautious. Antonyms, indiscreet. Example sentence. We made some discreet inquiries. Diffuse, verb, reduce. Synonyms, lessen, diminish. Antonyms, heighten. Example sentence. The scheme taught officers how to defuse potentially explosive situations. Diffuse, adjective, diffused. Synonyms, scattered, dispersed. Antonyms, concentrated. Example sentence. The diffuse community which centered on the church. Thank you so much for watching.